In medical device manufacturing, weld integrity at the microscale directly impacts device performance. At Norman Noble, precision laser welding processes are engineered to join extremely small, complex components under tightly controlled conditions, while closed-loop motion control ensures accurate beam placement and consistent seam tracking throughout the weld path. A highly focused laser beam delivers precisely metered energy, producing a stable weld pool with minimal thermal impact. Optimized optics and beam delivery maintain consistent spot size and energy density at the work surface, enabling clean, repeatable welds while limiting heat-affected zones and preserving surrounding features. The result is a robust joining process capable of meeting tight dimensional tolerances and demanding performance requirements for advanced medical devices. Norman Noble, laser welding engineered for precision, consistency, and performance.